Hey YouTube, what is going on? Thanks for checking out the Straight SRT8 YouTube channel, where we discuss all things SRT8 related. Now today I want to talk about free carbon fiber trim replacement. Absolutely zero cost to you, straight up free. So on the side here, turn you guys around, we had this carbon fiber trim on the door panel. This is on the passenger side of the car. So this started peeling off right here in the center. And so I started looking at cost to replace this, and it was pretty expensive, about $200. And then I decided, this is a known problem that Jeep knows about with their carbon fiber trim. This peels off, this one peels off. This I haven't heard about, but definitely this one as well. So I started calling the dealer and I said, hey, this trim's peeling off. Is it covered under the extended warranty? The guy did some research and it turns out the answer is yes. So this trim, this and this that I know for sure, not sure about the other two, are 100% covered under warranty from the dealer. So I had this issue before where I did a video of replacing the front dash carbon fiber trim, and it was like $200 for the component. And when I asked my dealer, it was not covered under warranty. Now, according to this new dealer I'm using, all these components have been covered for quite a while under the extended warranty from Jeep. So factory warranty just extended for certain components, carbon fiber trim being included in that. So I don't know why one dealer knew about it and the other one didn't. They used the same database, put up the same information. Maybe the guy didn't know what he was talking about. I do know in my previous video where I discussed replacing this carbon fiber trim that some of the comments mentioned that it was actually free from a dealer, and I double checked my dealer and they said no. So I did change dealers, and now I got my carbon fiber trim replaced for free. So I'm gonna do a quick video. I actually have an old video of me trying to fix this. So this was all peeling off, and then back here was held in pretty well from the factory glue. So I went about trying to re-glue this in. I don't recommend doing that because when you start doing that, if you glue it in here and over here, it's going to start peeling over in other areas as well. It's not going to look good, and it's going to be kind of messy. So definitely recommend replacing the entire thing. But as I was doing that, I ended up cracking it, making it worse. The dealer did say, though, if you're going to replace it, you need proof that it's damaged. So obviously, if it's bubbling underneath here, that's your proof. If it's entirely missing, if it's cracked, if it's missing parts of it, that's your proof. They do need proof of it being damaged because they actually send these parts back to the manufacturer, in this case Jeep, and they show that it actually is damaged, and then the warranty replacement is covered in full. So as long as it's visible damage of it peeling, then you're covered. So that's pretty cool. Again, big surprise to me. I didn't know this in my previous video, just learned about it. I did have this replaced for free, dropped off the car. The lady was a little bit hesitant. She said, it's a 2017, they're not covered under warranty anymore. And I said, trust me, it's covered under warranty. So they did the work, was free, same day. The part took about 2 weeks to come in. So if you're going to have this done, call your dealer. They can order the part for you for free. And then when they see your vehicle, they can verify that, yep, it already is existing damage, and we can replace it for free and it won't be a problem. So that's really cool. Free carbon fiber trim replacement. We know it's a pain in the butt to replace it. We know it's expensive. Not going to be done for free. Again, just make sure your dealer is aware of this. If they say no, have them provide proof as to why the answer is no, or maybe go ahead and give Jeep a call and have them provide some kind of authorization or whatever it may be to your dealer, because I do know that for some reason, again, certain dealers say it's free and certain dealers say it's not, but obviously it has to be covered if it's for free. So that's it for this video. A ton more content on the way, guys. I'm sorry for the delay in releasing this initial video, but a ton more good stuff on the way, including octane boosters. There are two main variants of octane boosters. I'm going to get into that in the next video. Which one's better, which one offers more of a boost. Now, again, I did already cover, in my opinion, on what I think about octane boosters. So I won't get into that again. But if you do decide they are for you, there are two main categories. I'm going to get into that in a little bit in the next video, comparing and contrasting the two and saying which one's better for you based on what your requirements are. Anyway, again, that's it for this video. If you got questions, go ahead and drop them below. I'll be talking to you guys soon. Thanks for checking me out.